Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a complete wash day routine. I'm going to be showing you how I shampoo my hair, how I detangle my hair, and also how I deep condition my medium length 4C natural hair. So my hair has been in this state for like a week or a week plus now. Yeah, this is how I've been like rocking my hair. It is due for me to put my hair in a protective style, and I'm going to be rocking wigs for the next couple of weeks. So I'm just going to be taking you through my complete wash day process. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing obviously is to take down the twist in front of my hair. Yeah, God, my hair is really dry. Shit, my hair is really dry right now. Okay, so guys, wow, the definition of these twisters is actually really nice. Look at that. I like the definition, but that is not why we're here. I'm going to try to like loosen the twist out to loosen the definition. You get what I'm trying to say? So I'm going to be spraying this Wura's Secret Detangling Hair Mist. I'm just going to be spraying it on my hair just to be able to comb through this twister, because I wouldn't want to wash my hair like that. Okay. So now that I've sprayed some detangling mist on my hair, so I'm just going to comb through the twist out now, because it's going to be a lot more easier, and I'll be able to minimize breakage that way. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hair now in the bathroom now that I have detangled this front section. Okay, yeah. Welcome to my bathroom, guys. So the first thing I did was to saturate my hair with water. My hair is between normal to low porosity. Sometimes it acts like normal, sometimes it acts like it's of low porosity. So I had to use a lot of water to saturate my hair so that it would be easier for the shampoo to work well with my hair, if that makes sense. Okay, so I just went ahead, saturated my hair well with water, and then I proceeded to shampooing my hair. And I'm using this particular shampoo from Amway Hair Care products. This particular shampoo is really moisturizing. I mean, I love this shampoo. It is really moisturizing. It doesn't strip my hair at all. It doesn't strip my hair at all. I like it. And the fact that it is not black soap based, I mean, it makes it different, and it's a natural, it's natural based, or how do I put it now? It's an organic hair care product. Okay, so I like the fact that it is not black soap based, and I also like the fact that it's very moisturizing. It is one of the best moisturizing shampoos that I've used in recent times. Okay, so I really like that. So I applied it generously to my hair, and then I focused on, you know, scrubbing my scalp, massaging my scalp, because, you know, it stimulates blood flow to my scalp. Yeah, so that is the reason why I focused on my scalp mainly. And then I walked the ladder towards the ends of my hair. I'm not part of those people that, you know, that say that you shouldn't use shampoo on the ends of your hair. Sis, I use shampoo on the ends of my hair because my hair is not that long, so there's no way the shampoo will not get to the ends of my hair. There's no way I would not wash the ends of my hair. Okay, so after like shampooing my hair twice, I just went ahead and applied enough water to rinse out the lather from my hair. And, you know, I had to rinse it like a lot of times, because, you know, the lather can actually be hiding in between my hair. My hair is not a lot, but, you know, it's still a lot. So I had to like rinse it very well, just to remove all the lather, just to get rid of all the lather. And then I proceeded to deep conditioning my hair. So before deep conditioning my hair, I soaked the excess water from my hair with this towel. And if you watch this clip carefully, you would notice that I wasn't rubbing the towel against my hair. I was just patting the towel on my hair just to soak up the excess water, because if I had rubbed the towel against my hair might have broken a little bit. So I did not rub it against my hair. I just used it to soak the excess water. So going on to deep conditioning my hair, I used this deep conditioner from Ziza Empire, and this deep conditioner is very moisturizing. The products that I used in this video are actually from Nigerian brands, and they are products that I really love. This particular deep conditioner is really nice. It is one of the best deep conditioners that I've also used in recent times. It is very moisturizing. As you can see, it made it easier for me to put my hair into two different sections, and it has detangling properties. I mean, the slip is out of this world. Just look at how it was easy for me to actually use my fingers to detangle my hair. Just look at that. This deep conditioner is the truth, no cap, it is the truth. So after putting my hair into 2 different sections, I just went ahead and part my hair into smaller sections and use my fingers to detangle my hair before going on and using a white tooth comb. Because even though the deep conditioner has good detangling properties, if I had gone ahead and used white tooth comb directly like that, I might have broken my hair. I might have broken a little part of my hair. So it is very necessary for me to actually use my fingers to detangle first. That way I would not suffer much breakage. Okay. So I basically just finger detangled and used my white tooth comb to detangle the small sections of my hair and then put my hair into chunky twist. And so after I did that, I just went ahead and used my plastic bag to cover my hair. This is all the hair that I lost. I don't think it's a bad amount of hair to lose on a typical wash day, even though I can actually reduce it going forward, but that was the amount of hair that I lost. And so I covered my hair with this plastic bag, my shower cap. I don't know where it is. So I covered my hair with my shower cap, and then I still covered my head with my satin bonnet just to trap the heat in my hair. Okay, so that's basically how I deep condition. After about 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour, I just brought everything down, and as you can see, my hair has actually absorbed a reasonable amount of the deep conditioner. And then I went ahead to rinse out the deep conditioner because it is not meant to it's not meant to stay in your hair forever. So I rinsed out the deep conditioner, then just to proceed to moisturizing my hair, and then moisturizing and sealing my hair basically. Okay, so I made sure that I actually rinsed out all the deep conditioner from my hair, because it wasn't stated that you should leave a light amount, as opposed to other deep conditioners that I've used. Okay, so this is my hair, squeaky clean, very neat, very moisturized. And just like I did before, I just wrapped my towel around my hair to soak up the excess water. Okay, so guys, I just got out of the shower and I honestly like the way my hair feels right now. The deep conditioner that I used from Ziza Cap, that deep conditioner is really nice. I mean, the sleep of that deep conditioner is just on another level, and my hair feels so moisturized right now, even though I have not applied my moisturizing products like my leave-in conditioner, oils, and all of that stuff. But right now my hair feels really moisturized and feels really soft. I feel so relaxed, and my hair feels so great right now. Okay, so that deep conditioner is something you want to try out if you are somebody that likes moisturizing deep conditioners and deep conditioners that have a lot of sleep. Then you should get your hands on that deep conditioner from Ziza Cap. I'm going to put their Instagram link in the description box, so you should try to message them or go through their page for more information about the product. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So the next thing for me now is to moisturize my hair, to apply my leave-in conditioner, my oils, and all other things. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be using today to moisturize my hair for that is from Wura Secret. So this moisturizer, I got it last week as a PR product, so I decided to try it out so I decided to use it in my wash day today. Okay, I'm just going to be applying a generous amount of that. So I'm just going to be taking a generous amount of this leave-in conditioner, hair moisturizer, and then I'm just going to be applying it on each section of my hair to make things easier for me. Okay, I'm not doing twist out or anything. I'm going to be putting my hair in cornrows, so there's no need to like put my hair into smaller section. I'm just going to moisturize it in this small section that it is already. Okay, so I'm just applying the moisturizer to my hair right now, and the moisturizer is actually not bad. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh. There's water in my hair already, so I don't need too much leave-in conditioner again. I don't need too much leave-in conditioner. Okay, so yeah, This moisturizer actually feels good on my hair. I like it because my hair has already been detangled though, but I think it has detangling properties. It has a nice slip, so I think I like it. Yeah. So I'm just going to be using my hand to smoothen my hair to make sure that my hair absorbs the hair moisturizer. You know, my hair is between normal to low porosity. Sometimes my hair acts as if it is normal porosity, and sometimes it acts as if it's of low porosity. So I just have to like use my hand to make sure my hair absorbs the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to quickly dry my hand because there are some products on my hand, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the hair oil. This oil actually looks like a blend of a lot of oil, so it looks like I'm going to like it already because of what it looks like and because of the ingredients on it. It has castor oil, it has coconut oil, it has jojoba oil, argan oil, and a whole lot of other products, a whole lot of other oils, and I really like it and I like the smell. It smells really nice. So I'm just going to be using a reasonable amount of that too, and then I'm just going to use it to seal in the moisture in my hair. So I like using my hands to work the products in my hair properly, just to make sure that all my hair strands get a portion of the hair product. Okay, so after doing that, so I'm just going to put my hair in a chunky twist and then do the same thing for the rest of my hair. Okay, yeah. Okay, so guys, that's basically the moisturizing process, the moisturizing and sealing process. So I'm just going to allow my hair to hair dry for about 4 hours because my hair does not dry easily because, you know, the porosity is low, so it doesn't dry easily. So the time is currently 6 p.m. and then I'm just going to let it hair dry for like maybe 4 hours. Then I'm going to put my hair in cornrows. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.